My name is Dr. Godwin Asomora. I'm a director of research at the National Root Crop Research Institute, Umudike, in Abia State. As you know, National Root Crop Research Institute has the national mandate for development of root and tuber crops of economic importance. These root and tuber crops include cassava, yam, cocoyam, ginger, potato, sweet potato, and the minor root crops. These minor root crops include risga, sugar beet, Hausa potato, and the rest. We have been developing a lot of improved cassava varieties in the past in collaboration with IITA Ibadan. Currently, we are proud to tell you that about 46 improved cassava varieties have been developed. And these improved cassava varieties have been disseminated. Farmers are adopting them. So it is our job to develop and improve the cassava sector. And we are happy that some agencies are partnering with us to disseminate this. Prominent among those agencies is MED, Market Development in the Niger Delta. They have been coming to us to help them to train their farmers, which we call village seed entrepreneurs. Mind you, we have put in place a project called Building an Economically Sustainable Cassava Seed System in Nigeria. And the essence is to formalize the informal cassava system, whereby the cassava seed is formalized and certified by the National Seed Council of Nigeria. So we have been training our VSEs to conform with the new system. For you to become a VSE, there are some criteria which you must comply with, such as you must have adopted improved cassava varieties. You must have the entrepreneurial spirit. You must be able to stand on your own. You must have land where you will practice the new system. Of course, you must abide by the code of the village seed entrepreneurship. And of course, we also consider gender. At least 40% of our VSEs are women. So, on our own, we have a pilot state where we are doing this in the southeast and south-south. In the southeast, we have Abia and Imo states. In the south-south, we have Cross River and Akwa Ibom states. We have trained their VSEs. And these VSEs have acquired the foundation seed that we are certified by the National Seed Council. Now, MED saw the need to key into the new system, and we welcome them. We did an MOU, and they accepted. So we are also training their village seed and entrepreneurs. We have already trained their 30 VSEs early this year from the states from 6 states of Imo, Abia, Cross River, Akwa Ibom, Delta, and River State. So, and these VSEs are doing fine. And recently MED came up again that they are very, very impressed about the the output. And so requested that we train additional 30 VSEs from additional 3 states. These VSEs are from Edo State, Bayelsa State, and Ondo State. As I'm speaking to you now, because one of the things that we help them to map out and elect the VSEs, and it is only those who qualify to be VSEs that will be trained and be accepted into the fold. So currently my team, the team from the National Root Crop Research Institute, is already in these 3 states. Last week they were in Bayelsa State. So this week they are now in Edo State. In fact, as I'm here, they have been telling me we are in Ekpoma, we are in this place, we are in that place, trying to select the new VSCs. After Edo State, they'll be going to Ondo States, and we are going to select additional 30 VSCs for made. These are the people who will be the champions, who will be able to propagate the new seed system, a new seed system that is very clean, producing a quality stems that the National Seed Council have given approval. So these are the champions you are trying to put in place. Already we have been training others for the IFAD value chain development project. We have trained their youth in 6 states of Ogun State. We thank MED for seeing it, finding it worthy to queue into the new system. And we assure them that we do a good job in making sure that we produce the village seed entrepreneurs. These are the champions who will be able to propagate the new seed system, quality stems. So we thank you all.